Good morning.
What up, boys and girls?
Actually, good afternoon, but morning starts here.
Yeah, big deal.
We're at QFC in North Bend right now. We have a shoot in the next hour or less. We have to go scope the spot. Today we'll be at Rattlesnake Ledge. And
I think it's Ridge.
Ridge. Okay.
Oh, dude. I got a new idea. You ready for it? New segment to the show. It's called Bathroom Reviews. We'll be back in a minute.
Popcorn chicken and Red Bull.
We got forks and fucking crackers.
So, we are here at Rattlesnake Lake. We are waiting for Brittany. Currently, she'll be here in about 2 minutes. So, we are gonna take her around the lake, kind of do some trail shots, maybe have her jump in the water. Who knows? You'll see. Ryan's whipping up a sandwich as we speak. And it's looking good. So
good. I'm gonna rip it in half.
We're gonna feast it for a little bit. I do have a knife.
It's just sandwich time, you know what I'm saying? Turkey on some kind of bread. You wanna know what kind of bread?
Kind of bread.
Tolera roll. Am I saying that right? Dude, I respect the Steez game. Oh!
Just my name?
Just introduce yourself and tell them what we're doing, maybe.
Okay. My name's Brittany, and we're gonna walk up this trail and take some pictures.
Bam. Boom. That's fine.
That's it.
That's it.
Straight
That's
to the
perfect.
point.
Cool.
So far, good. Good.
Can you take me somewhere I've never been? Do you believe in me, even though I'm only human? Can you take me somewhere I've never been? Do you believe in the supernatural?
Alright, so we're wrapping it up here at Rattlesnake Lake. We had an awesome shoot with Brittany and Ryan.
Me.
Thank you, Bora, for filming.
Bora, shout outs.
But this is it for us in the photo shoot today, so we're gonna wrap it up.
We're hungry, we're thirsty, we're itchy.
We need some food.
Shout out to the bug.
Brittany did amazing, so if you guys are looking to get in contact with her, we'll put a link in the description and bio or whatever. You'll see it, you'll find it, it'll be there.
Like, subscribe, hit the link in the description. Bye!
Peace.